So the belts I'm going to use to fix the KRC-980 are 1.2 millimeter in width and it looks like 10 centimeter in length. And I put it on, it did feel kind of tight. So if it were me, I would go with something a little longer than 10 centimeters or 100 millimeters. I would go maybe along the lines of 110 millimeters, maybe even 120 millimeters. If it goes bad, I bought a bunch of them so I can still replace them. But if I was going to place a new order, I would definitely get a little bit longer belt. Here I have the belt on the cassette mechanism, and it's routed around the black pulleys, around this outer pulley, and comes back on the inside of the inner pulley. What helps me is just getting it routed, and then I worry about flipping the belt and orienting it so that there are no twists after I have it routed. So I'll just go around kind of spinning it, flipping the belt around. And here's a quick look of the belt. Notice that the same groove is going straight across the whole way. It makes its way around the pulley. It doesn't crisscross in between the two pulleys either. It doesn't flip around in the pulley. And it's a straight shot all the way around. Lastly, reassembly is the same as disassembly. So just get the covers back on, all the screws back into place, and this will be ready for testing. Alright, so here we've got the moment of truth. I've got power, I've got ground, I've got a speaker hooked up to one of the speaker outputs. Let's get this cassette put in. Gotta turn it on. Change the illumination so we can see. Now we get the cassette in. I don't know what's going on with the end of that cassette, but let's rewind it some. I think it's part of some outro, I don't know, but it doesn't sound right. Sounds fine to me. Let's get this rewound. Push play.
Sounds perfect.
Nice. So this KRC-980 is back in business.
The only thing left to do is fix that display. Oh, hey! That's a nice surprise. The positive and negative works. And so does the orange. Nice.
Eject. That's a job well done. Thank you for watching, and feel free to enjoy my other videos or subscribe and follow my Instagram page for future content.